Clawdbot now became OpenClaw. Ollama released official documentation on how you can integrate OpenClaw with Ollama. So you don't need to pay for anything. It's completely free. Run models locally and let OpenClaw control your computer. Ollama is a model provider. Using that, we can download any of these models and connect with OpenClaw. So your data remains 100% private. And I'm going to take you through step by step as a beginner's guide on how you can connect OpenClaw with Ollama and run the whole setup for free on your computer. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. So OpenClaw, previously called Clawdbot and then MoltBot. Now officially it's called OpenClaw. It can help you clear your inbox, send emails, manages your calendar, check flights, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app. So in this tutorial, we'll see I'm going to send a message from Slack and I'm going to control my computer. As a first step, you're going to install OpenClaw. I'll put this documentation in the description below so you can follow through. So first step, npm install. So I'm going to open my terminal from my computer. In my terminal, npm install -g OpenClaw at latest and then click enter. Now it's installing the main package, that is OpenClaw, and that is now installed. Next, we need to download Ollama from ollama.com. So click the download icon and you should be able to install. Next, we need to choose what model we want to use. So if you go into your models tab, so there are multiple models in the list as you can see here, but there are recommended few models: Qwen3 Coder, GLM 4.7, GPT OSS 20B, and GPT OSS 120B. Just because I want to run this locally, I'm going to use GPT OSS 20B. So two ways to download this model. One is after installing Ollama, you will have a chat interface like this. There you got the list of models there. So you can click download and download it, or just say hi by choosing the model and it'll automatically download that for you. So I'm just saying hi and it'll automatically download and then respond to me. And here is the response. Hello, how can I assist you today? So successfully we have installed Ollama and downloaded the model. Now installation steps completed. Next, configuration. So we need to configure the context length, and that's supposed to be 64,000 tokens. So here you can go to Ollama and settings. You can also go here Ollama and then settings, and here you got the settings. So I'm going to choose 64,000 and automatically it will get saved. The first method to download the model is directly from the app itself, that is the Ollama app. Or if you are programming and want to download from the terminal, you can use Ollama pull GPT OSS 20B and then click enter. That will automatically download the model. So you can choose one of the options. Ollama configuration done. So next we need to launch OpenClaw using Ollama. So you need to type Ollama launch OpenClaw, or you can also type Ollama launch Clawdbot. That's the previous name, which will be deprecated soon. So ideally using OpenClaw would be good. But in my case, I'm using a little bit outdated Ollama, so I'm going to use Clawdbot. So Ollama launch Clawdbot and then click enter. So you can see it's automatically launching GPT OSS 20B. If you're doing for the first time, it will automatically ask you what model you want to choose, and you can choose accordingly. Now you can see Clawdbot has been configured with Ollama. Gateway is already running, that is running behind the scenes. So this is OpenClaw Web UI. So if you want to start this, in your terminal, OpenClaw configure section web and then click enter. That'll ask if I want to run it locally, and I'm going to say yes. Do I need a web search? No. Web fetch? Yes. And that web is configured here, so I can just open this link, that is a web UI. And this is that web UI, and you can just type say hi and it will respond back to you. This is just for you to test purpose. But now we are going to see how this is going to work from Slack directly controlling your computer. So I already explained how to connect Slack in my previous video, which I'll put the link in the description below. So it's just few steps like creating Slack app, OAuth and permission configure, enabling socket mode, subscribe to events, and finally enable messages tab. I've already covered step-by-step tutorial. So once after you follow all the steps, and my Slack bot is called Praise AI, so you can come here and I can just say list files in my folder, that is my computer. So this is a web version of Slack. So from the world, you can be anywhere in the world and then control my computer like this. So I'm going to list my files I can ask it to read my calendar. I can ask it to read all my emails, and it can do it for you. So when you are sending a message from a channel, you need to tag at the bot so it knows, and you can see it's listing the files in this folder. That is really nice. Now I can ask it to do any task on my computer, right from my web or from my mobile app or any messaging apps such as WhatsApp, Telegram, and I can control my computer. Also, I can give it any task to do. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. And currently this is completely running locally on your computer. All the models, all the data remains private. Considering you already like OpenClaw, I also create another video, step-by-step integration of Slack with OpenClaw, which I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.